Hey guys, what's up? This is Mariah with Logan Party of 4runner. Thanks for tuning in. Man, okay, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Joe's actually at work now. He's headed out on a backpacking trip with some buddies for the weekend. So the kids and I are gonna take off and go on our own little adventure. I tell you what, getting ready for any type of trip is difficult, especially with kids. Getting ready for a trip with kids by yourself is like mind-blowing. So I was going to like do like a little montage of how we get ready and stuff. I couldn't even film because it just was chaotic and I was pressed for time. So the plan is we're gonna head over to my parents' place. They live on about 28 acres out in Woodlawn, Virginia. We're gonna head out there and hang out with them, and we're gonna stay the night there in the rooftop tent. We'll head over to Roan Mountain Campground and then meet up with Joe and his friends off the AT on Monday. And so thanks for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe if you like to see more videos, and come join us on our solo without Joe weekend. It's never a bad day in my book when your road turns to gravel. So, did you find that funny, Joanna? So this is the road that I grew up on. And I just love riding down it. I really do. I enjoy it so much. It's just such a pretty road, pretty gravel road to me. How's it going, you old heifer? I'm just kidding. You're a steer. Alright guys, so we're here at my parents' house. It's starting to get kind of late. I got the tent set up and we watched the sunset. Planning on going for a 4-wheeler ride in the morning, so we'll see you then. Say good morning. Say good morning, Trav. We all slept pretty good. It's a little bit chilly, but not too bad at all. And all the kids slept good. They woke up a little bit early, of course, but I was able to hold them off until around 7:10. So we're gonna go inside and my dad's gonna cook up some breakfast, and I always loved my dad's breakfast, so let's go eat. So just checking in. We had a good breakfast this morning. We got around to a little bit of four-wheeling, really just tooled around more than anything. Kind of started raining on us, so we didn't go up into the mountainous trails like I thought we were going to, but just a little bit rainy. But we had some really good visiting with some family, and now we have departed from them and we are headed to Roan Mountain State Park. That's right on the border of North Carolina and Tennessee. I think it's technically in like Elizabethton, Tennessee, but it's right on the border of North Carolina. So we've got about a 2.5-hour drive there. Probably be rolling up in the dark or really close to the dark. Just gonna set up the RTT and get some sleep. Figure out what we're doing tomorrow. Tomorrow's not supposed to be as rainy and nasty. So I brought my bike. I didn't really become, you can't really do any mountain biking or anything with the trailer pulling the kids, but we might do some bike riding, do a little bit of hiking. Who knows what'll be in store, but yeah, got in a little bit of four-wheel riding. We're gonna get a check-in from Joe. He's out on the trail out on the Appalachian Trail hiking with some buddies, so we're gonna get a check-in from him, and I'll check back with you when I get to the campsite.
Welcome to Jones Falls on the Appalachian Trail. We're 3.5 miles into day 2. Stop and enjoy this beauty right here. We got in 15 miles, a little over 15 miles yesterday. About 7 of that was in the rain, so we rolled in cold, wet, and tired. But there was room at the shelter, so we were able to dry off, eat some food, and get a good night's sleep. And we're out here trying to put in another 15 today. It's beautiful, and we're having a great time. So hopefully Mariah and the kids are too. My hiking buddy Al. Good day to be on the trail. We'll check in with you later.
Well, good morning, finally. It took me forever. It's about almost 11 o'clock, and it took me forever to drag the kids out of bed, especially Joanna. It was kind of cold. It's a beautiful day. This is a pretty cool campsite. It's pretty crowded, but it's pretty cool. So now we're gonna lay out some clothes to dry, and we're gonna fix brunch. All right, guys, we've gotten cleaned up from breakfast, lunch, whatever you want to call it. Gotten cleaned up. We've got the bike hooked up here. We're gonna take the kids on a ride around the campground. So come along with us. Ready? Hold it up. You're recording. Nice, Joanna. Good climbing. You're welcome. You made it. Look at this drool. Oh, that's kind of gross. You're strong, man. There you go. Feet first. There you go. Ready? Woo.
So,
all right, go ahead.
fast hiking. I gotta do this.
All right, go again. What are you doing, man? Yeah, yeah.
I did need to set it right there.
You need to show me something?
Ah.
Oh, okay. Let's go see what Joanna has to show us. Come on. What is it?
It's a tree coming.
It's a tree. You want to climb that tree?
Yeah.
Well, good luck. Alright, so we had a pretty good little bike ride, played at the park. But as you can see, it's nap time for somebody. So there's Wi-Fi here, so Joanna and I are gonna watch some Netflix while Travis takes a much needed nap because he's just like... Alright, Joanna, how's it going? Have you had fun so far? Yes? Do you miss your daddy? Yeah, you really do.
I miss you guys.
We're gonna see him tomorrow. You wanna see him tomorrow? That fire just popped real big, didn't it?
Well, good morning from camp. There's my humble abode there. Everybody else's camp. Hall pass over there trying to get them some breakfast. A little cold and breezy last night, but all in all, it was not too bad. We're gonna finish out the last about 8 miles and get to Carver's Gap. Meet up with the family. Go get us a big old burger at Bob's Dairyland, and we're excited about that. It's gonna be our motivation for the hike today.
Good morning. Well, we slept really well. My mouth is fine. It hurt pretty bad last night, but it was really swollen this morning, but it's still okay. So we're gonna go on a quick hike, and then we're gonna head to Carver's Gap to meet up with Joe. Keep going. I'm coming. Hello. How is their hike going so far? Yeah? That's a huge rhododendron leaf. Alright guys, we're still on the Tom Gray Trail. I don't know how long it is, but I know it's less than a mile, so we're just tooling along. How's it going, Trav? Yeah, are you a little bit ready? All right, let's get you back to the car. What'd you say, baby? You had fun hiking? Well, good. All right, look right here. Are you ready to go see Dad? Yeah. All right, let's go get him. All right, guys, we got a little post-hike snacking going on here. I normally have to bribe them with something, or bribe Joanna with something to walk after she gets tired. So I always have a bribe up my sleeve, but I didn't have to bribe her this time. High five. But we got the donut anyway, didn't we? Oh yeah. Joe's coming down the hill with some buddies. You ready to go see him? You excited? You look thrilled. It's very windy here, so. Go get him. Go get him. Go give him a hug.
Hey, Mariah.
Hello.
Come to me. Hey. Okay. No. Beep, beep, beep. Oh. Can I have a hug? Like an Easter bunny over there hiding in the weeds.
Mm-hmm.
You're gonna have to give her an Easter egg to get her to come out of there.
Go ahead.
Well, this is what I hiked 40 miles for. The holy cow. That's a burger right there.
There you go. Just pushing them down to the top. Oh my God, it's too hot.
Well, we've made it back together. The burger was incredible.
Mommy,
Nice and full.
I need the honey.
Somebody's a little bit
again.
hungry.
But yeah, it's always kind of sad being apart, but we think we both had a really good time. So next adventure will be together.
Yep.
But thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.